Now there are two parts to my channel. Part one is called TEFL Tidbits. Now these are 30 to 60-second videos designed to help you teach better. Part two is called TEFL Walks and Talks. Now in these 2 to 3 minute videos, I could be having a rant, I could be having a moan, but the main goal is to help teachers. We're going to do fun stuff too, like grammar. Seriously, it's all about helping TEFL teachers, okay? That's the goal, that's the mission. Now, by the way, I also make freaking awesome teaching materials. Check out my website, all right? I've got plug and play lessons that are going to save you hours of planning and preparation, and they're ready to go. I've also got an ebook called The Lesson Flow, which will help you plan and teach better. Take a look at my website. Now, I've got loads of teaching experience. I've been teaching in Thailand for 21 years. I've taught from nursery to university and everything in between, okay? I've taught teachers, doctors, nurses, policemen, businessmen, government officers, you name it, I've done it. I've taught online for 3 years. I ran a TEFL training company. I did recruitment, I still do. I did coaching, I still do. Check out my website. The main goal here is to help teachers. And by the way, this is a really good time to join my channel because really soon I'm going to be so famous, maybe I'm too busy to talk to you. All joking aside, please join me. Let me share my knowledge and experience, and I really want to help you. I hope to see you and meet you there. Cheerio, teachers. Goodbye. Boom!